When it comes to tire mounting and demounting chemicals, knowing which product to use for each job can save you a lot of time and frustration. Hi guys, Izzy here from Tech Tire and Wheel. There are three main categories of tire mounting and demounting chemicals: lubricants, paste, and compounds. While all these options help you mount and demount tires, many shops choose to stock multiple chemicals due to their unique advantages. Let's start off with lubricants. Tire mounting and demounting lubricants like our ready-to-use rim ease offer the greatest lubricity and easily flow between the tire and rim, making lubricants the best choice when it comes to demounting tires. Pastes like Tex mounting paste or premium blue mounting paste are the perfect choice when you need to coat the inside of the rim to facilitate tire mounting. Pastes also offer the greatest protection against corrosion. Mounting compounds like Tex tire and tube mounting compound work best when there's a gap between the tire and the rim that's preventing the tire from seating. The compound can be packed into the gap to create a temporary seal and allow the tire to take air. Compounds also offer great protection against corrosion. When you're done, simply remove the excess compound and place it back in the bucket. Finally, for those stubborn jobs, Tech offers a few specialty chemicals to make quick work of even the toughest tire changes. For stubborn beads, Tech's Bead Breaker penetrates the rubber and makes freeing the tire from the rim that much easier. Bead Breaker is a must-have if you're dealing with older tires and rims or industries prone to wheel corrosion. And for those tires that just never seem to create a great seal, we recommend Tech Bead Sealer. Our sealer is a natural rubber solution that flows and fills leaks between the bead and rim, helping to create an airtight seal. There you have it. Thanks for watching our breakdown of Tech's tire mounting and demounting chemicals. For more information on these and other Tech products, contact your local distributor or visit techtirerepairers.com.